What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be discussing why I think data analytics is a really good career choice. And the holidays are right around the corner, and that every family member is going to be asking you, what do you want to do with your life? Why are you choosing to become a data analyst? And so hopefully this will give you some good information and some good tips on how you can answer those questions. But let's jump right into it with number one, and that is that the industry is continuing to grow. Right now, we're having about a 7% increase in growth of data analyst jobs year after year, and that's a little bit higher than the average, which is right around 5%. And by the end of this year, which is 2020, there's going to be over 150,000 jobs posted for data analysts. And if you're choosing a career, that's a very good thing to see. You don't want to see it in the decline. You want to see it continuing to grow, continuing to expand, so that you know that there are going to be opportunities out there for you in the long run. Number two is that you get to work with a lot of different technologies. You're going to be using things like SQL, Python, Scala. You could use a cloud platform like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. And these are just a few things that you're going to be using as a data analyst. And with all of those technologies, you'll be working on things like database management, ETL, and data visualization. And these are just a few of the things that data analysts actually work on. Of course, you're going to start with the basics, and then you're going to move up to the more advanced things. But as you continue to progress in your career, you're going to pick up more technologies that will make yourself more marketable, more useful as a data analyst. Number three is that you can work in a lot of different industries. Industries like retail, finance, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, tech, and construction. And these are just to name a few of the industries where data analysts are very prevalent. And other industries continue to grow out their analytics departments because they are realizing how important data really is. And what's great about being a data analyst is that if you are interested in another industry and you want to make that change, as long as you know the core skills, you can definitely make that happen. Number four is that data analyst skills overlap with a lot of different jobs. And so if you want to transition, it makes it quite easy to do so. You can change jobs to become a data scientist, a data engineer, a database developer, or even a data architect. All of these things overlap with a lot of the work that data analysts actually do. If the ETL side of things really excite you and you want to develop those skills even further, you can become a data engineer. And if you really like the database side of things, you can become a database developer. There are a lot of jobs and careers that you can transition into if you don't want to be a data analyst forever. And number five is that it is a very stable career. You want something that is long-term, that you can see yourself doing for years and years, and not just something that could go away in the next 5 to 10 years. And as we discussed earlier, this field is continuing to grow. So as you get into the career more, you're gonna have a lot more opportunities to advance and transition into higher positions. So those are my 5 reasons why I think that data analytics is a really good career choice. If you wanna learn even more, be sure to check out my channel. I have videos on just about everything data analytics related, and I hope it can be helpful for you to advance your career even faster. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video.